What's up everyone? We got a fog light here from our truck. It's all muddy. Alright, so this video is for the guys and girls and gals that doesn't want to do all the big things like putting it in an oven, putting it on, letting it cook and replace or take this thing apart. This is just like the quick fix that we're going to do. And I guess for those two that doesn't want to spend money or a lot of money for a new fog light, LED fog lights, the upgraded ones. So this is just a quick cleanup and let's start. All right, first thing you do is, I guess, rinse it, fill it with water inside. So after that, you know, that's to soften up whatever's inside, to help it out. And then what I have here is a pallet of salt. So if you have other pallets that you can put in, probably a sand or, you know, something, small rocks or whatever you have, you don't have to spend. Currently this is what I have right now, small enough to fit in there. So for that, we're just gonna shake it, keep shaking it. See that? Cleared up a little bit. So this is going to be a repetition. Just keep, it's like you're scrubbing it. There, see that? That's just a small turn. No more. Alright. Let's fill it up with water. Not full, but enough. See, it's clearing now. Drain it. Pallets are still there, but you can see now it's clearing up. Mud is getting off. It's better too if you don't do it in the sink, put it outside. You won't clog up your sink. So I'm just grabbing all the salt back that fell out of it, and we're gonna reuse. So it's a repetition. Just keep on doing it. I'll be right back. Turn. As you can see, there's mud right there. See the water? Okay. Let's keep doing it. Turning it. Okay. Turn. Alright, I'm just rinsing it now. All the pallets or the salt is there. And this is how it looks like. So the bottom part right there, it's really hard to get. I let this thing sit with mud for months. So, but look at it now. It's really clean. And let me grab the other one. So I did both. So go inside. There, it's clear now. Way better than before it started. See the side? It's clear. Just the bottom part where the mud really got stuck. but we're not removing it. We're not doing all the cooking stuff, heating it up, prying it out, and then gluing it back. That's good enough for me. I didn't spend $1 to get a new one or to buy stuff to prep it. All right, hopefully this video is helpful to anybody who doesn't want to do the other stuff like removing it or buying new ones. Hopefully this helped out, and if you like it, guys, please hit the subscribe button or like the video. Thank you. See you guys on the next video.